All right, guys, I asked you to do the extra practice, page 107, 21 to 31 odd. So again, let's go over the answers first. Yes, the answers in the back of the book too, but some of you still don't do that, so let me show you anyways. All right, number 21, excuse me. We have 47 per hundredths, or 47 hundredths. Number 23, 22 25ths. Number 25, we have 84%. Number 27, we have 72%. Number 29, we have 95%. Number 31, we have 4 answers. So let me see if I can do this correctly. 31A is 44%. Letter B is 16%. Did I say number A or letter? No, that's weird. Letter A is 44%. Letter B is 16%. Letter C is 60%. And letter D is 40%. If you got them all right, congratulations. If you got some wrong, by all means, you can fast forward the video. If you got them all wrong, by all means, that's okay. As long as you put in the effort and actually tried, it's okay to make mistakes. Now you know what not to do for the next one. All right? All right, 21. As always, read the directions first. Write each percent as a fraction in simplest form. Easy peasy. By now, you guys should be pros at this. 47%. That's 47 per 100. Okay, if I recall correctly, a long time ago, we went over prime numbers between 1 and 100, and I asked you to keep the list. I'm pretty sure if you look back at that list, you'll see that 47 is a prime number. Now, what does that mean? 47 is prime. That means it only has 2 factors, 1 and itself. And what does that mean? I get a quick refresher. That means you can either make one big group of 47 or 47 little groups of 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 47 times. And you know 47 will not work with 100. Okay? So that's it. That one stays as is. All right, 23. We have 88%. 88% is 88 per 100. You can divide by 4. If you didn't know that, it's okay. You can do 2. It just it'll make the math go a little longer. And actually, there's a bigger factor than 4 that I just thought of right now. But that's okay. You'll see what I'm talking about. Actually, no, I was right. Oh, my goodness. I'd like to say I honestly thought there was, but, hey. 22 and 25 do not have a common factor. I don't know why I thought they did. But again, like I said earlier, way back in the other lesson, prove it to yourself that that's right. 22 times 4 is 88. 25 times 4 is 100. 2 is an even number. 25 is an odd number. It's not going to work. There's no common factor in this situation. All right. 25. We have 21 25ths. Oh, forgot to read the directions first. Write each fraction as a percent. Use a model if needed. All right. 21 25ths. Okay. Oof. I'm debating whether I should do a model or not. Now, you know what? Let's do the fraction thing first. Guys, remember, you can always divide the numerator by denominator. But you saw what happened when I did that, so I tend to go with this first. If I can't do this way, do it. Oh my goodness. Yes, I speak English. If I can't do it this way, then I'll go ahead and divide the numerator by denominator. And again, percentage, by definition, means you have a denominator of 100. Okay? So, I can scale up from 25 to 100 by a factor of 4. Okay? That means I'll do the same thing here. 21 times 4 is 84, I believe. So it's 84%. Let me show the model. There's many ways you could have done. You can do this, right? But let me do the bar. Okay. 25. 25. How many groups of 25? And by the way, you know what? Let's think of it this way. Whoa. Don't draw the symbol. I just want to show 2 things. If I'm making groups of 25, right? How many groups of 25 do I need to get to 100? I need 4, right? So 21 to 25, if it's a ratio, again, 0, 100%, 0 to 100. You know what? You don't need the 100%. I think you get the idea. So, actually you do. I got a million thoughts going through my head right now. But the idea is 25. We're making groups 25. We want to get to 100. 25, 25, 25. I need 4 of those. That means I'll need 4 of these to get to 100% as well. And you see that that's 84. That looks like a 24, but it's really a 21. I apologize for my sloppy writing. If this did not make sense, let me know tomorrow in class. All right. But if you understood this, you're good. All right. 27. 18 25ths. All right. We want percent. Okay. Oof. 18 times 4 is, let's see, 4 times 8 is 32. I want to say 7,200. That's 72%. Easy peasy. Now look, I know I keep saying easy peasy because it's easy for me, but that doesn't mean that it's easy. It's just the thing that makes it easy for me is that I know my times tables. Okay? So, like I said before, if you're working your times tables, this gets much, much easier. Okay? But you don't have to. You can do the work. I could have just as easily have done. And that's okay. You know what? There's no shame in doing the work with paper and pencil. Okay? All right. 29. About 19/20ths of celery is water. What percent is this? All right. Just to remind myself, I'm going from a fraction to a percent. That's what I want. So I have 19/20ths, and I want a percent. That means I want the denominator to be 100. Okay. 20 times 5 is 100. What's 19 times 5? You know what? I'm just going to do the work. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9. 95%. 95%. I don't know why. I shouldn't have said percent here. But I was just kind of thinking already the end of the line, the end of the answer. But it is 95%. Okay, 31. That's a biggie. It's not hard, but it is a lot of work. So, if you avoided doing it because you're intimidated by all the numbers, you're like, oh my God, that's a lot. I understand. I truly do. But you can do this. So let's see what we have. As always, read the problem first, understand the story that's being told before you do any math. Okay? So here we go. The circle graph shows the fraction of each type of weather during September. Yeah, again, I show the answers. That's okay. All right. So we have sunny, 11/25ths, rainy, 4/25ths, cloudy, 1/10, partly cloudy is 3/10. Now, before I do anything else, altogether, when you have the full circle, you have 100%. You have 100 parts, right? So I'm telling you this so you can understand what you have to do with the numbers now. Okay, and you'll see the work right now. But keep in mind, a full bar, a full circle is 100%. Okay? All right. Let's keep going then. All right, letter A, we have sunny. What percent of the days were sunny? According to the graph, 11 out of 25 days were sunny. But we want a percent. That means, hey, let's pretend we're talking about 100 days. Well, now, if we're going to do that, that means we're scaling up. And by now you know 25 times 4 gives you 100. 44 out of 100 days is 44%. Pretty straightforward, right? I hope. Letter B is rainy. What days were rainy? Well, again, according to the graph, the circle graph, 4 out of 25 days were rainy. Well, same thing, I want %. I'm scaling up by 4. How do I know that? Because I did it already with the other problem. Same thing. 16 out of 100, 16%. What percent of the days were rainy or sunny? Oof, okay. Rainy or sunny. Rainy or sunny. All right. Rainy, we know we have 4/25. We just wrote it right now. And sunny means we have 11 out of 25. So again, if we had 25 days, rainy would be 4 days, sunny would be 11. So if we're talking about or, that means we have to include both days. Rainy days and sunny days. That word or means we have to add both of them. Okay? So, again, look at the graph. 4 days out of 25, 11 out of 25. That means you have to look at both days. You have to add them. Okay, now 4 plus 11 is 15. So 15 out of 25 days will be either rainy or sunny. But we want %. And by now I think some of you guys would be like, oh, I already get this now. I get it. Now it's just tedious. Well, that's good. That means you understand it. But don't get cocky. It's still easy to make mistakes. Don't get arrogant. You still got to pay attention. If you go too fast, you will make a mistake. 60%. All right. Now, here's another one. A little different. What percent of the days were cloudy or partly cloudy? And if you did the other problem, you understood it, I think you know where we're going to go with this. Okay, cloudy days, 1 out of 10 days. Partly cloudy days, 3 out of 10 days. Oh, by the way, you can only add fractions when the denominators are the same. That's why I was able to do this one easily. Because if you think about it, we're talking about 25 days, 25 days. If we said 11 out of 23 days, it wouldn't be the same set, the same deal, okay? You can't do that. It doesn't make any sense, okay? It's like pizza slices. Again, if this was four slices out of 8, the slices will be pretty, well, normal, right? But if I say 11 slices out of 100 slices, you know those slices are going to be pretty small. You can't add bigger slices with small slices. Someone's going to complain about the slices not being equal. And that's what the denominator does here. When you have equal denominators, that means you have equal size pieces, equal value, in a sense. Okay? So anyways, back to this. Just one real quick lesson. 1/10, 3/10, that means I have 4 days out of 10 that are cloudy in some way. Either fully cloudy or partly cloudy. Again, but we want a %. Oof. Denominator has to be 100. $40 per 100. 40%. And that's it. I hope this helped. I hope this made sense.